Nina.
Thank you. And those will fit Nina. Because Maya's been wearing those since Nina was born.
Nina.
Those
Nina.
are the underneath the dress.
Yeah.
Oj.
It's
Nina.
12 months back.
Pierdolę. Pierdolę.
Those. But I think they'll fit her because Maya's been wearing them since she was 7.
Gdzie Nina?
Yeah.
Gdzie Nina?
The ones Nina are wearing right now are 12 months, so these are for her birthday.
Haj poljubi je. Haj poljubi Ninu. Pe. Reci Pepa Nina.
Dá beijo. Mua.
Haj poljubi je.
Mua.
Poljubi je. Hajde. Šta ti radiš? Šta ti radiš? Nina. Majo, gdje je Nina? Nina.
Kyle is so smart. You know those letters in the bathtub? Maya would hand him one. He would say whatever it was every time. And then she'd hand me a little circular. And then there was a 7 and an L. And he knew which one was a 7 and which one was an L. I even had to look at it twice.
Nije ništa bilo, dobro je. Pa jeci, nisam. Šta radi?
He was just trying to put it in her mouth, but it's just he's not very gentle.
Šta Kajo? Kajo? Kajo?
Leave my cousin alone. Oh, see what she did. Your face.
Ljubavi. Ljubavi. O, šta to jedeš? Šta to jedeš? Ups, šta si rekao ups? Ups.
Oopsie.
Šta to jedeš?
I'm sorry. Oops.
Ups.
Attention.
Oops.
Oopsie toopsie.
Ups.
The floor goes boom. Oops. Maya. Oopsie toopsie.
Oj.
Like, okay.
Nina tvoja, haj poljubi je ovako. Majo, haj ovako je poljubi.
Oopsie toopsie. Oopsie toopsie. Quer pouquinho, Caio? Nham nham. Uncle. All right. Enough, guys.